This video I'm gonna talk about taking input from the users and using it to build a basic calculator. So let's start and start your code blocks. The computer's crashing right now. Okay, started. So open your project. Open. Let me clear everything out. So let's start. So for building a basic calculator, what you have to do is you need to know how to get the input from the user and store it in a place or in a variable. So for doing that, you need to define 3 variables. Name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it A, B, and C because I don't have anything else. Okay, so we want to have a prompt saying enter first number. Bam. Now within the line. Okay, what we did was tell the user to enter his or her first number. Now we're gonna give them a way to enter the first number and store it in a place, that is, store it in a variable. So to do that, what you have to do is use the cin function, cin, and what this is called is stream extraction operator. Okay, cin, and you have to need to give the name of the variable where you want to store the value which the user entered in this first line. So we want to store it in A, so we did A. Okay, getting it, guys? What we did was take the number which the user entered in the first line. Take the number which the user entered in the first line and store it in A. Okay, now let's move on. We will copy and paste this one more time because I'm lazy, and we're gonna do it enter second number, and we're gonna store it in B. Now what we're gonna do is give C a value A plus B. Okay, wherever the user enters the value of A plus B, both will be summed, and the sum will be entered in the sum will be stored in the value as the value of variable C, which we defined right here. Now let's print out the value of C out. The sum is, sorry, I forgot the quotations. Yeah, you got it right. The sum is C. Okay, guys, so you might be wondering what happened here. What we did here is, since this thing, the sum is a string or is a prompt which we want to have, or which we want to give our users, we wrote it in quotations, whereas this C is an integer type variable. So if we wrote this C inside the quotations, what the compiler would have done was it would treat this C as another string and print it out, the sum is C, and we'll be like, oh, A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6, and the sum is C. It won't make any sense, I guess, right? So what we did is that after saying the sum is, we inserted this integer type value so that the value stored in the variable C gets printed. Let's build it on this and see. Oh god, we got some errors. Let me see what happened. Oh, I missed the quotations. So damn embarrassing. This time it's gonna work fine. Okay, and the first number we did 5, and the second number we did 12. We got 17. Right, So here is our first calculator, and we are ready to sell it to Microsoft for 100 million pounds. Okay, so this was it, guys. This was the first program which we built, so play around with it, and thanks for watching my video and reading my blog. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye.